Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first video in English. This is gonna be kind of weird because English is not my first language, so maybe I'm gonna have to cut some parts of the video and do more edition. But anyways, I'm excited to do the first video in English. And I'm so excited because many of you request doing videos in English or maybe add some subtitles to my videos. But I prefer do it in English because one, I can practice my English, and two, it gets more work to do subtitles and something like that. So I prefer do videos in English. For this video, I decided to make a band that is really request and that many of you loves a lot like me, and is Wintersun with the song Sons of Winter and Stars. This is one of my favorite albums and favorite bands all the time. I fucking love it. Many of you watch the video in Spanish, the reaction of Time, and I really like this album. I really love this band. It's one of my favorites of all the time. So yeah, I'm really excited to listen more Wintersun and make more Wintersun reaction. As the previous video, I'm gonna be drinking a beer and share a beer with you. This time I'm drinking a brown ale. It's a new one. I'm gonna be tasting for the first time, so we'll see. And let me know if you drink some beers while watching my videos and something like that. I don't know, it's gonna be nice if you drink a beer too. So yeah, here is the beer. This beer is called Carmela, and it's a beer company or beer house called Chelarte here in Colombia. It's a craft beer, so we are gonna taste it, and yeah, we are gonna start with the reaction. And I'm so excited. As I mentioned before, if my English is kind of weird, is because it's not my first language and I feel kind of shy talking in English. But anyways, it gets me excited too. I'm gonna move a little bit. I'm gonna put my stuff. I don't remember how it's saying in English. And cheers. And let's start. I'm gonna stop here, and as I mentioned in the time reaction, I don't want to stop because this is a song that you need to listen completely, but it's a reaction, so I need to give my reaction and give my thoughts. And oh my god, I think it's awesome. It's beautiful. I have no words, and it's, as I mentioned before, it's one of my favorite bands, and this particular album is, it's perfect, it's beautiful, it's It's have a beautiful connection in all the album that I really, really love. And as I mentioned in my previous reaction, it has the Japanese touch in all the album and in all the songs that I really love it. So yeah, I love Wintersun, and this album is my favorite. Fucking love it! It's beautiful. It's so fucking beautiful. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you love Wintersun or if it's the first time you listen to Wintersun. That I don't think so, but because many of you have write me and talk to me about Wintersun. And I see it's a very loved band here in the reaction world. So yeah, let me know which is your favorite song or your favorite album, or anyways, let me know wherever you want.
I'm flying through the darkness, the fire, gas, the shadow of me.
perfect. It's so fucking perfect.
So soft and cold, dying, cast down, so weak, frozen link, the dancing spirits calling me, join in the cosmic train. Silence is tempting me now. We are the stars, so winter and stars. We're coming from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn as the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal sun.
have no words. It's perfect. I mean, it's perfect. I love it. I really love this band. I really love Wintersun. I really love those rehearsal versions. Yeah, at Sonic Pump Studios. It's awesome. It's perfect. If you never listened before, give it a check. It's so perfect. I have no words. I don't know how much to say. It's I don't know. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this first English reaction. Give me your thumbs up if you like the video and let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more English reactions. So, see you on the next video.